Y'all see that piece right there? A small screwdriver. You're gonna pry it out. Put it in the crease of it. Pry it out. Be careful, don't break it. Comes out. Y'all see for this piece, the motor, same thing, pry it up. Comes out. Take it out. Take that piece out of it. See that? Take it out. It's like a puzzle. Y'all see them 3 screws? Those are 10 millimeters. Take those loose. Take it out. It's another 10 millimeter right there. That one is hiding right there. Now you pry it off. Thank you, bro. Now you're gonna use the flathead screwdriver, put it up underneath it, and put it towards you. Put it down, take it out. That's how you do that, guys. That's how you take out the trim panel. Now let's do the mirror. Take that piece off. See the clip puller? Unplug it. Unplug the wires. Those are 310 millimeter nut. Bam, take it out. You want to hold it with your left hand so it won't fall. Now you take it out. That's how you take out the mirror. Let's do the handle. Move that plug from there. T30, T30. It's a star T30. It's right here, bam. A star T30. Turn it to the left. Turn it to the left. Open up this. You're gonna put your small screwdriver in the groove of it and pry it out. Sometimes when it don't comes out right away, put some tension on it and hold it. Put some tension on it, hold it, and turn it again, turn it. While you have the pressure on it, turn it. See that? Comes right out. Now you pull this baby towards you and away from you. Bam, bam. 2 steps. 2 step, baby. 2 steps. Bam, 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 bam. Step in the name of love. I see you do that. Alright guys, for more of these videos, y'all know what to do. Tell your friend, your family, your mommy, your daddy, your cousin, your newborn baby, your neighbors, that Working Wayne is giving out free lessons. See you guys on the next one.